Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a simple dock ramp. I tried to find a dock ramp online, but the dock ramp with the length, the width and the height I needed I couldn't find, and this is why I decided to build it myself. We had a nightstand before here and I decided to move it. And now the length of the ramp will be longer and the slope will be more comfortable for our pets to use. Now I need to take a measurement of my future ramp and measure the width. Here are all measurements of my ramp. I'm gonna start with measuring and cutting plywood. I need to check the slope and decide where to make a cut. To build a frame, I will be using 2x4s. Now I need to cut 2x4, so the bottom part of the ramp will be flat with a floor. Everything looks great, and now I need to make one more for the other side of the ramp. Attach plywood to 2x4s using screws. To make plywood more stable, I'm gonna put 2x4 in the middle. I'm using steps to position a ramp. Now I need to take the second piece of plywood. As you can see, the ramp does not fit, so I need to make some adjustments. Now let's make the top part. To make the top, I'm using 3-inch interior screws. It's time to cut the connection between the main frame and the top. I'm connecting the top to the frame using nails. And now it's time for the other side. To make a structure more stable, I added a piece of wood in the middle of the plywood connections. Now we can start working on the legs. Position a ramp and measure a distance between the floor and the top of the ramp. Cut the first leg. Make sure that the frame is sitting on the leg. Cut the second leg. I'm securing the legs to the frame using 3-inch interior screws. Now let's make a support for both legs. Attach support pieces to the legs and the frame using screws. When the ramp is ready, we can start installing carpet. There are a lot of options to choose from in Lowe's or Home Depot. Very cheap ones such as this one that cost only $25, or you could find on sale huge roll for $100. But unfortunately the color we were looking for we couldn't find on sale. So we found the one we needed and we like the color, and we paid $53.10 for it. It's time to cut the carpet. I would recommend to cut the carpet at least 20-30 inches more than the length of your ramp. This is a stapler I'm using, and here are staples. I started installing the carpet on the side of the ramp. This way I don't have to cut anything in the beginning. Remember to stretch the carpet before attaching it to the plywood or the frame. Cut the excess of the carpet. Now it's gonna be much easier to install the rest. Before stapling, stretch the carpet. If you have some staples sticking out,